Guys, when buying a car, be careful what interest rate they give you, because this lady's been having this car since 2019 and still owes $22,000 on this car, which is ridiculous because she's been paying it for close to 6 years now and still owes what this car was valued at brand new. These cars brand new are only around $24,000, but yet she still owes $22,000 6 years later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we got some more deals to react to, guys. To all the new subscribers, I appreciate y'all joining the channel, man. We got a lot of good videos coming up, so I ain't gonna waste too much time. Let's get right into it. Let's go.
Okay, Chantel here. I'll just go over the numbers with you really quickly, okay? I think Mike might have sent this to you already, okay? I got my dealer discounts, okay, and rebates, max rebates that I can apply to, okay? That's loyalty, trade, everything. $1,000 down is what we're going to be shooting for, okay? 72 months. I haven't sent you any banks yet, okay? So you're 1,008 to 1,063, depending on where the rate comes back at.
Wow.
But the things that's kind of raising the payment right now is going to be the big payoff on the trade, okay? And then the vehicle price as well. If you guys wanted to go down a size, I can see what down a size would look like to lower the payments, but these also could be temporary payments. If you also wanted to sign up with just you and not have her credit on the loan, we could do that, but truth be told, you probably should be building her credit a little bit.
So how much was it monthly? I thought it was $791.
Where did you see $791 at? I don't have anything extra in here. This is just vehicle price 2 plus the trade-in. It's just we have some negative equity from the trade that we're rolling in.
Oh, okay. That'll do it.
That's with $2,500 down at 84 months. I'm at 60 months. So if you have $2,500 down and you guys want to go out to 84 months, I can get the payment down to where we need it to be at. Her credit will allow us to do that, but I just need an extra $1,500 down from you.
Man, that's one of those decisions you gotta make.
Because when I asked him to get clarity, he said,
Look, mom's like, hold on, let me think about this. Extra 1,500.
Sorry, take your time. It's okay, guys. We'll figure it out. I'm going to be able to get you.
$2,500 down, then they do $791.
Wow. For a Nissan, bro. That's crazy. I think that's what they get in the Nissan.
If you have that as your goal, let me just figure out how I can get you there, okay?
Man,
right? Like, that's our goal, right? We're $1,000 down, we need to be $800 a month, right? I don't know how I'm going to do it for you with $1,000 down, but I'm going to try as hard as I can for you. $1,000 down, 800 monthly payment.
Whoa. And there they go. Let's see what they decide to do.
If I get this done for you, though, we're going to be good to go, though. Just give me an initial, okay, that if I get you $1,000 down, 800 monthly payment, we're going to be good. I'm going to go bring it back to them. I'm going to figure out how I can get there for you. If it comes up a little bit higher than 800, there'll be a reason why. But just so you know, if I get you to this number here at 1,000 down, 800 a month, that's like, hey, no brainer. We're walking away with the vehicle today, right?
Think about that.
Give me an initial there. It's not a binding signature. It just shows my guys that if they have to add more rebates, if they're going to lose more money on the car or pour more money into your car to make it happen, that it's not going to be for nothing.
Like, what kind of rebates does it have on it?
Right now I have trade-in rebate, so we're trading something in. I got loyalty rebate because you guys, you own a Mitsubishi, right? You have your active registration. You have active registration on a Mitsubishi, so I have loyalty rebate. The only rebate you guys don't apply for is the active military rebate. If one of you guys is active military or served in active military, see, I'll ask for an exception, or I'll see maybe if they're willing to just give the rebate, but off the money off the car, you know, so not actually get it from corporate. But, you know,
Yeah,
essentially,
he's over there, he's in the service.
I'll ask them. I'll see if I can get something done for you. I'll be able to get something done. I just need to know that if I get down to this number, that it's like, hey, we're walking away in the car. I just need to at least be able to tell them that, so that because then when they see it, they see a deal here. You know, they got to figure out how they can sell a car today.
That's crazy. Ain't thinking hard about this one. I would be too. You say $800 a month, $1,000 down. Should you signing it?
I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm gonna work hard for you. Give me some time, but I will be right back. Okay.
That's one of those situations where you got to think about the reliability. You got to think about the resale value, because most people only keeping their cars for 3 years tops. You know, after 3 years, people get bored. They want something new. And we've been seeing it. If you've been watching my channel, you see people trading their cars with 20,000 miles on it, 40,000 miles on it. And if you're switching cars like that, that's how you end up with all this negative equity.
At the end of the day, it's up to you. You know, it's gonna be your payment. It's your car. The thing about this one, though, is far better than the one that you're in right now, because it's going to hold its value well. You're buying a new vehicle with almost $6,000 off the sticker price. So I'm helping with that $14,000 that's being rolled over. So you're going to be able to get something that's going to hold its value and retain its value for a long time. Can you do 2,000 down, and I'll see if I can get the extra 500 in the trade and keep you at the same pay?
We only got 1,000. That's what I'm saying. We got to come up with another 1,000. Because
right.
What I just showed you, that was our understanding. It wasn't no, because I already explained that she couldn't do it just by herself. So my understanding was if I did the 1,000 down and cosign, that's what we were going off this chart. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have agreed to this, that, whatever.
Okay.
But he didn't. He just.
So based off of this right here.
Wait, hold on. Then he texted me that too.
No, I have the same photo that you have. It's my phone. I saw my phone on me. Let me go see if I can talk to a manager and kind of just help you out a little bit. I don't know. I'm just gonna tell him that we're too far away, essentially, and I need to get closer in your business, right? I don't know exactly where that is. Considering it's 72 months, I don't have a ton of money to save you. If I got it at 1,000 down with just this same payment here, 926 to 946, but only 1,000 down instead of 1,500, can I earn your business on the vehicle? I just don't have too much money to mess around with. It's either that or we go down to an ES and I go down a trim level and find less money in the deal. That would also help your payment with just financing less money. Okay. So it's either 1,000 down at 926 to 946 and I'll try it for you and I'll see if I can get it to work. Or finance a cheaper vehicle. Or finance a cheaper vehicle. Which one do you think you'd rather do? Okay, let me find one for you that can help the payment goals, okay?
So that's why I always tell people, if you're going to switch cars, you got to lease.
This 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. Okay. It has 65,000 miles on it. We were able to get her approved. She had just totaled her vehicle.
Wow.
About a week ago.
65,000 miles. I don't know about
and we were able to get her approved with no money down at 11% rate.
Man, used car rates are terrible.
And her payment is $479 a month for 72 months. We put a full tank of gas.
My only concern with this is 11% interest rate, 72 months. That's crucial. That's crucial. But the used car rates right now are just outrageous. I mean, even with decent credit, you're getting a high interest rate. Would you make that deal? 65,000 miles on a Mitsubishi, 11% interest rate for 72 months. Now, again, you can't blame the dealer. Hey, they came in there to buy a car. It's their job to sell them a car. You feel what I'm trying to say? And this dealer right here, at least they giving them a full tank of gas.
A 2025 Toyota Corolla on our 2019 Type R. Let's see if we can make a deal.
That's crazy.
It looks like you just bought it?
Correct.
How much do you owe on it?
$43,333.
$43,000.
Yep.
Wow.
I'm looking at the market and it's worth 23 grand.
Correct. I traded my Scat Pack for it about a month ago because I had some issues with it, and I was talked into buying this, and I don't enjoy it. I'm a little more sporty on my vehicles.
So you want to get something sporty?
Correct.
Bro, listen, man, I would love to sell you a car, but my honest to God advice to you is don't buy a sports car right now, because you're going to take 20,000 in negative equity and put it on 33. You're going to owe 55 grand on a Civic. After interest and fees over the term of the car, you're going to pay like $75,000.
Wow.
My advice to you, keep this car, keep working hard, stack up, save up, be disciplined, and one day you'll get something better than that Civic. But for right now, man, just focus on working.
That's the first time in history I've ever heard a dealer give great advice like that. Keep your car, bro. You can't just keep trading cars in like that. Dude gonna pay $75,000 for a daggone $20-something car, man. That's crazy. Like, where's your uncle or your daddy, man? Like, you, like, he needs some guidance, bro. There's no way he should be there trading that car in right now. 2025 too.
So hear me out. I got a customer that just came in on this 2010 Volvo. Has about 97,000 miles. Been having issues with it. The worst part about it, this gentleman owes, and it is really rough inside. You guys can see this. It smells really bad. This man owes $14,000 on this car.
Wow, on a
this
2010,
like a $200 car.
Oh, come on, bro. That's wow. That gotta be a buy here, pay here joint. That's
it
how
has
they do.
95,932 miles on it. There's a total loss report on the Carfax.
That is out
And
of
this is
control.
as bad as it gets.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so total loss. Click that.
That's crazy, bro.
Total loss report in 2023.
Somebody sold him a limit.
I feel bad for this
real.
guy, man. This
Yeah,
car is
they-
worth absolutely nothing to me.
They probably gonna end up telling him to just keep that car. I mean, what the heck they gonna do with it? That car worth $50 at most. And it's crazy because if you go to the wrong dealership, they'll actually try to say he got negative equity on their car. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta be careful out here, man. Some dealers are not honest. As I get these deals, I'm gonna start bringing you guys more frequent videos. It might not be as long, but they're gonna be to the point type videos where we can go over the deals. You guys can leave your comments and let me know if you would make those deals. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.